Hi, welcome to another instructional video. In this video, I'm going to show you the solutions to troubleshoot not working print screen button. Taking screenshot enables you to communicate with others graphically on the internet, and a defective print screen button is often a concern for many. For the first method, I'm going to use key combination to print screen. To take screenshot, open the image that you want to capture, and then press function plus print screen button at the same time. This will copy the screenshot on the clipboard. After that, open a Paint application and paste the image. To save the screenshot on local folder, click the diskette-like icon. For the second method, I'm going to use free online screenshot. To begin, visit this page. Look for free online screenshots link and click it. This will lead you to its main page. Next is to hit Take Screenshot to run the screen capture tool. Once launched, open the image that you want to capture, and then hit the camera icon to launch the crosshair. After that, drag the mouse around the portion to capture, and then release it. A preview of the screenshot will be shown, along with the simple image editor, where you can add basic annotations. Aside from saving the captured screenshot on local disk, you can also save it on cloud storage. There's also an editing tool, in case you need it. For the third method, I'm going to use Screen Capture Pro. To use this app, go to this page. Then click the Screen Capture Pro's download button and install. After that, open the picture to capture, and then choose one from the capture mode, and click the camera icon. Now drag the crosshair along the image to capture, then release the mouse. A simple editor will appear, and you can begin with your editing. If you wish, you can also use the tool's advanced editor, where you can add annotations and effects. Aside from saving the file on local disk, or uploading it on cloud storage, you can also share it to your friends online using its sharing function. Moreover, this program has other interesting functions like the task scheduler. And those are the solutions to not working print screen button. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.